Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite watches. I love the Michael Kors watches. I have kind of like a collection of a few of them from my husband from over the years. This was the most recent one he gave to me, and this was for our anniversary. What this is a Michael Kors Parker watch. It's in rose gold and tone blush acetate watch rose gold. It's one size. Really beautiful, goes with anything. I absolutely love the color of this watch. It's really pretty. It's stainless steel, like most Michael Kors watches are, or maybe all of them, or at least all the ones I own. If you go to the back here, it says Michael Kors stainless steel. Stainless steel case back, 11170410 ATM, MK5896, and that's the style number of the watch. I love this. It's so pretty. It's easy to tell time. And then it has the date here. Mine is like screwed up because I haven't like worn it in like a month. So I've just been like away and stuff. So I do have to change that because the date's wrong. But it's really easy to do. There's like the dial here for it and the dial here to change the time. So it's very easy to read. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I love like the diamonds around it, very blingy. Luckily I haven't managed to scratch this one up yet. I tend to be a little rough when I'm wearing jewelry, like at work or whatever the case is. I have to be more careful with it. So the brand, of course, is Michael Kors. Department is women. The material is rose gold and stainless steel. The display is analog. Feature is water resistant, chronograph, and oversized. And the style is bracelet. And I think it makes a wonderful gift for girlfriend, wife, loved one, mom, whatever, sister, aunt, or just a gift for yourself, of course, which is my favorite because it's like, okay, I know how hard I worked for this, and you know, it's nice to be able to buy yourself something, especially when you really deserve it. I think it's like really beautiful and very stylish and very almost like casual too, but you could also wear this on like a nice date night, or if you go out somewhere. I love a little bling to it, so I'm obsessed with the diamonds around it. I think it's pretty, and I think that this is actually my favorite out of all my watches, just like looks wise, because it's so pretty and very easy to use. Very, very elegant and pretty lightweight. Actually, this is lighter weight than some of my other Michael Kors watches, and very easy to put on. You just snap it. I'm gonna snap it real quick so I can show you guys. It takes literally 2 seconds, but I'm using one hand, so it's probably taking me longer than it should. Okay, this one fits really nicely because I went to the store and I had them take off a couple lengths because I have just like very small to begin with, and just fits perfectly. And they'll just, if you go to like, I don't know, say like a department store, the Michael Kors store, no matter where you bought it from, they'll just remove the links on it for you free of charge. So that's nice. So if you have a watch and it's like big on you, like don't worry, you could always get that fixed very, very easily. I'm a huge jewelry person, and it's very pretty. It's almost like a modern adaptation, like a timepiece or something. I don't know. It just reminds me of something like elegant and something kind of like, in a way, like timeless, and I love it, and I think it's so pretty, and I think my husband did a really good job picking it out for me because it's very me. And I'm sure it's a lot of you too. So the rose gold is just so pretty on the side, like these, and then the blush color, very pretty, but not too pink, but not too light either. I especially love that it's so comfortable to wear. It's just not very like uncomfortable at all. It's very comfortable to wear. You like forget that you're wearing it sometimes. It's a win-win for a lot of ladies' taste. It's a loud but not too loud, outgoing look. And the sleek, elegant design of the face is simply just round without the excess bulk, which I really like. Mineral crystal, blue dial, quartz movement, two-tone stainless steel, and it's water resistant, 100 meters, and case is 39 millimeters. The resin band with fold over clasp with double push button safety. It's made in the USA, or it could be imported. Rose gold tone bracelet, watch with glitz bezel and hour markers, feature 3 subdials and date window between 4 and 5 o'clock. And then the water resistant is suitable for swimming and snorkeling, but not scuba diving, because it's only resistant to 100 millimeters or 330 feet. But personally, I wouldn't go in the water with this watch. I think it's too nice, even though it is water resistant. Just you know, to be careful about it, I wouldn't. Batteries are one LR44, and the batteries are included. The shipping weight is 14.1 ounces, and the package dimensions are 3.7 by 3.6 by 3.5 inches. So guys, this is the Michael Kors Women's Parker two-tone watch, MK5896. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.